Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA London. Welcome back to Sunday Talk episode number 68. As always, I'm going to go over some of the questions you guys sent me. And also, I have advice for newcomers to the United States of America, okay? So if you are new here, we talk about immigration. I help newcomers, permanent resident, and also U.S. citizens regarding immigration, sometimes finance and business. And I give advice to newcomers to the United States of America to live a better life here based on my own experience and also on experience of people I know who moved here to the United States of America, okay? And I'm going to do my best also to check a U.S. Consulate update for two countries for you guys. So you have to wait till the end of this video to see which country I choose today, okay? Which countries I choose today. So without wasting time here, let's get started. The first question today will come from Taibu the King. Taibu the King sent this message. Great video, John. One position for me. I'm adjusting my status to green card, and I have filled out the I-64. My wife didn't work from July to 2019. It was all me of that time. So I put my income to help her sponsor myself in the I-64A. How to prove the income will come from the same source, although I might change my current employer. Confusion. Well, that's a good question. For some of you guys who don't know, if your petitioner doesn't, the income of your petitioner is not enough to sponsor you, the intended immigrant, so you, the intended immigrant, can use your own income to help the petitioner, basically, and that's the case here. So this guy said his wife didn't work in July 2019. That way her income is kind of low, so he's using his income to sponsor himself, basically, to help his wife. But one of the criteria is that you have to show the U.S. government that your income will come from the same source once you become a green card holder, okay, once you become a permanent resident. So I think one thing you can do, as long as you provide your like employment letter showing that you work for that particular employer, and also your you have your W-2 form that shows that you work for that employer, all those income showing any proof that showing that your income is coming from that employer will help, because eventually you might change job, but right now you still work for that employer. So that's all you can provide. So just provide those documents and you're gonna be fine, okay? Let's move to another question here. This one will come from Emmanuel Tesfaye. What kind of visa application need to invite my wife mother? So basically this person want to know on which visa he can apply for, to invite his mother-in-law, okay? Well, I think visitor visa, if you just want to invite the person to come and visit you, visitor visa is the way to go. B1 visa, that way the person will come and visit you and then go back to her home country, okay? That's what I know. All right, and unless but you talk about invitation. If you want your wife or your mother-in-law to come and live here permanently, then your wife gonna petition for her. But as far as just to invite her, yeah, B1 visa will be fine. Let's move to another question here. This one will come from Freddie Lemos. Hi, I submitted all document affidavit was accepted, but I have problem with income tax from a joint sponsor. Can I change that affidavit before NVC send document to any of you, because joint sponsor didn't tell me the issue? Well, this person actually use a joint sponsor. They submit the joint sponsor document already. Document are qualified, but now he want to change the joint sponsor affidavit of support, because he said the joint sponsor has income issue, tax issue. I don't know what type of income tax issue that person has, but at this point you have to contact NVC to let them know that you're gonna change the joint sponsor affidavit of support, and they will reopen the case for you so you can upload a new joint sponsor document. Okay, you have to contact NVC for that. Because if you don't contact NVC and they send the document to the U.S. Embassy, it's gonna be too late. There's nothing you can do. But make sure you check with NVC as soon as possible. Let's move to another question here. This one will come from Arwin Moya. Hi, well done videos, and subscribe as well. Thank you. I have a question. My U.S. citizen son is petitioning me, and my wife, which is a stepmom. We have minor kids. My sons have brothers. What is the best path forward? Well, if your son is petitioning for you guys, and yes, you guys can come to United States of America, but unfortunately for his brother, he's gonna petition for them as well. He has to file a I-130 petition for them as well. It's because his brother cannot be a derivative applicant on their parent application to come to United States of America on immigrant visa. So, he has to petition for his brothers as well, from what I know. Okay. Then let's move to another question here. This one will come from Josh Littlewood. Here is the question. Hello, I'm Joshua. Can I come as a visitor and get work permit in USA? Thanks. Well, from what I know, you cannot come to United States of America. You cannot come to United States of America on a visitor visa and then get a work permit. It doesn't work like that. You have to if you change your status, you can come with a visitor visa. If you change your status here in United States of America, and then that will allow you to apply for working permit, yes, but as far as just come with a visitor visa and get a work permit and work in the United States of America, it doesn't work like that. Okay, let's move to another question here. This one, let me see here, will come from Television DIY. Hello, Mondon. Can you give me advice on adding children after I-130 approved? My relative just got the approval, and his daughter is 4 now. The I-130 applied 7 years ago. Is there any form I need to fill out, or should I email NVC? Please help me. Thanks. Well, yeah. If your friend is in that situation, and your friend has to contact NVC. Okay. If the case is already at NVC because you say the I-130 is approved, then he or she has to contact NVC to update on the case and provide the keys and information. That way, NVC will put all those information there in the system. Okay, that's all that person gonna do. So most of the time we ask for the person, or maybe the child birth certificate and approval letter, document you need to submit. Okay. Yep. To answer your question, that person has to contact NVC, National Visa Center. Let's move to another question here. This one will come from Topman. Topman asking this question. Hey, Mr. John, how long will take the process for the siblings petition? Well, siblings petition, which is an F4 category, visa category, the process is very long. It can take between 17 to 20 years before your relative, your siblings, your brother or your sister will come to the United States of America, because it's a long process. And also it depends on the country where that person lives. Country like India, China, those, it takes the process takes so long. Okay. All right, let's move to another question, which is AJ. Okay, this one is coming from AJ Singh. Hello, sir. My category CR1 now. I submitted a document to NVC. I have a divorce decree, so I want to know first marriage certificate. Also submit. I don't have my first marriage certificate. Please help. Well, thanks for this question. Is what this person is asking is when your spouse petition for you, then you have to show proof that you guys are married, you using your marriage certificate. But at the same time, they ask you if you married before, then you have to use you have to provide your divorce decree. Okay, yes, this person has the divorce decree, but he's asking if he gonna submit the first marriage certificate also, because he already divorced, he already got divorced, and in this situation you don't need your first marriage certificate, you just need the divorce decree. As long as you provide the divorce decree, that you'll be fine, and then you provide the marriage certificate or your current marriage. Okay, if you currently married, then you have to provide your marriage certificate, but the one that you did before, you don't need that. Okay, you don't need that. Let's move to another question. This one will come from Sita. Let me see, Adikari. Let me see what Sita Adikari has to say here. Hi, the status for both of the fees changed to pay on September 29. But when I log in, excuse me, but when I log in again on October 1st, on the immigrant visa fees said in process and the affidavit of support say paid. Is this a problem as the status change from paid to in process? Yeah, it can be a problem. So in this situation, sometimes it can be a mistake, something that is not your fault, so you have to contact NVC and let them know, because the status cannot be paid and then change to process again. It's supposed to be in process and then change to paid. So if you see that when you log in, you need to contact NVC as soon as possible, let them know, so that way if there is something that is going on, they will let you know as well. Okay, let's move to the last question of today's video, which will come from Best Friend. Best Friend has this question. I'm a U.S. citizen through naturalization, and I would like my mom to visit. What is the process? I'm taking a public benefit. Will that hurt on her visa application? Well, first, if you are a U.S. citizen and you want your mom to come, and you have to petition for your mom in case you want your mom to come and live here permanently. But as far as just invite her to come and visit you, just need a visitor visa, so she can come and visit you. So as far as a public benefit, as long as she won't come here and stay, and you are not filing I want a petition for her, I don't think that will hurt. But if you filing I want a petition for her, of course, when she comes here, you're gonna take care of her. The U.S. government will see proof that she won't become a public child. So if you're taking a public child, meaning that you don't have enough money to sponsor her, and then that can hurt on her visa. But like I say, if she just want to come and visit you, all you gotta do is apply for a visitor visa for your mom. Okay. And then, like I told you, I have one advice for newcomers to the United States of America. Some of you guys who are new here, or who's planning to come to the United States of America, one thing I notice, most of the time is when people come here, they tend, they try to copy other people. Especially they try to buy like a brand new car, like a car that costs like $20,000, $15,000, $25,000. Guys, you don't really need all those stuff. If you are a newcomer here, the first thing to do when you start a job is to save money. Okay, you save money. Try to get like a used car. Okay, a used car. What I mean by a used car, not like a used a car that is you can't even drive. No, I'm not talking about that. Used car, but which is still drivable. Make sure when you go to get a car, you get a mechanic. Go there with the mechanics who can check the car with you and tell you exactly if it's a good car or not. You can find like a used car, like a $2,000, $2,500. At least if you're gonna make a payment on that car, it won't cost you that much. It can be like maybe $200 a month and stuff like that. And then by 2 years, you'll pay that off, and the car is gonna be yours. But when you go and try to get a new car because you see people who are here before you, driving a brand new car. Guys, it takes time. They have a good job maybe, or they save money. Maybe they save money to get to that point. They didn't just come and then get that car. I know there are people who got money. When they come here, they can purchase a brand new car. If that's your case, it's not. I'm not talking to you. But if somebody who just moved here, to get a job at McDonald's or get a job at Walmart and stuff like that, making like $10 an hour, stuff like that, $8. You don't need a brand new car. Just to give just a quick advice I want to give on you guys who are newcomers here in the United States of America. Okay, just try to get a used car. Once you got a good job, stuff like that. Being here for a year, 2 years, and you can get whatever car you want. Okay. So, like I said, also I'm gonna check on U.S. Consulate update for 2 countries today. So let's go in front of my computer for that. Okay, guys. For some of you guys who are new here, to come to this page, you tap on usembassy.gov, and then from here you choose the country you want to check the update for. Okay. So the first country I'm gonna check update for today will start with Z. So you click on Z to go to the category, and this is the country here, Zimbabwe. Okay, so I have somebody who asked me to check the status of this embassy for him or her. So over here you see a U.S. Embassy in Harare. Harare is I don't know if it's the capital or not. So this is the address of the U.S. Consulate, and also the phone number in case you want to call them. Okay, so click on this one right here. That will take you to the website. So that's the U.S. Consulate website, and from here you click on visas as always to check the status to check the updates. So over here is showing that in response to significant worldwide challenges related to COVID-19 pandemic, the Department of State was temporarily suspend routine visa services at all U.S. embassy and consulate. So we have canceled all routine immigrant and non-immigrant visa appointment as of March 18, 2020, but we continue to provide emergency and mission critical visa services as resources and local conditions allow. We will resume routine visa services as soon as possible, but are unable to provide a specific date at this time. So basically, they didn't resume visa services yet for Zimbabwe. Okay, some of you guys who's beneficiary will go for interview in Zimbabwe. Yes, here's the update. They didn't resume visa services yet. You have to keep checking the website for update. Okay, let's move to another country today. So the next country today will be, let me see here. You ready? Are you ready for the next country? So the next country will be Haiti, because I checked Haiti before. Somebody said they will resume visa services very soon. I don't know for sure. Let's see what's going on. U.S. Embassy in Port-au-Prince. I'll click on that one to go to the website, and then from here we'll click on visas. So let's see what's going on. Okay, so it looks like they're still suspending visa services. They say we are unable to provide a specific date when we'll be able to resume routine visa services. So they didn't resume visa services yet. Let's click on the immigrant visa and see if there is something new. Nope. So basically Haiti didn't resume visa services yet, guys. You have to keep checking the website for new updates. So that's all I have today. So if you still want me to check a U.S. consulate of your country, let me know in the description below. I'll do my best to do that for you. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who need to watch this video, who might benefit from this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, hit the bell. If you've been watching my video, you never subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and also hit my picture over here. Okay, so whatever you do today, guys, do it peacefully. Thanks for watching again. I'll talk to you guys on next Sunday.
USA Monde.